I'm so happy.
Say hi, guys.
Hi guys, this is a beauty. Welcome to my channel. Today we're at a new hotel that's so beautiful and not haunted. Hi guys. Because the yesterday one was so scary.
Come on, Bella, let's go. Swimming. Doon na lang din tayo kumain, ma. Doon sa court, doon, sa laba. Oo, hindi mo mawawala yun.
Sapatos daw dito. Kasi papunta pa.
Our room for today, only for tonight. Then back to JB. This is the golf club. This is me. And the kids are in the toilet. They're taking a shower. But me, where is she? Hello. Hi.
Nakabag na nakasalamu.
Where are you going? Ha? Where are you going? Saan pupunta tong dalawang to?
I look nice.
Yeah.
Can I have this?
Ask Nina also to get one. Sunglasses.
It's me, mommy.
Ha?
It's me.
Where are you going?
It's me.
Wow.
Dance. Okay, dance, two of you. Hey, what are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Hello.